I'm Virginia McGathey here on the floor at the CME Group reporting on the livestock market. We got some big news in livestock today, especially in the cattle. It surged today. The Chinese report of the foot and mouth disease came out today that really surprised everyone and got the market off to a big start. It really touched on limit up today. And with this outbreak, it's really exacerbated the troubles that the livestock sector already has in China. And also our improved domestic demand for beef is underpinning this rally as well. So that's making the market really strong. The story is to watch is that the feeders are higher. They really tested the limits here. And what does that tell us? That tells us that there is an idea that they think that the market is, this is going to be a long-term issue. And it seems that with that long-term issue, that this will be just enough to keep driving the market. There is a report that the Interior Ministry of China said that they did have control of the disease, but no one really knows for sure. And since we are here on the weekend, there's a couple of days to kind of shore up what the news actually is on Monday. And a few traders wanted to jump on board and really push this market up pretty high. But right now that we got new highs both on the live cattle and on the feeder cattle tells us that we're solidly up higher, and this could be really the start of the market starting to march further, because we're expecting that the demand is going to increase still here in the U.S. Over the fall months, and so we're right on the precipice of that. That should really drive the market higher. Hogs really did firm up as well. The cash buying did come in, and it was very strong, and that pushed the market up. You know, there's still this issue with the African swine virus that is hurting the herd in China, which also is the largest herd in the world. Now, the talk of that, it seems to be already baked into the market. We didn't see a big, huge surge from the hog futures today, but the market still looks very, very strong. And I think that if we took out the issue that we had with the tariff wars, we'd see these markets really skyrocket. But those the tariff issues still remain, even in NAFTA, which is particularly something that's been kind of sitting on the hog producers here, is one issue. One other thing to watch out for the hogs is that part of the reasons why they're higher is the hurricane. I know the processing in those areas have really disrupted some of the slaughter and the slaughter schedule, and I think that also will be, adding to some of the underpinning of these markets. And that should also actually support some of the underpinning of the live cattle market as well. So there's a number of reasons why these markets are moving higher. That's all from the floor at the CME Group here in Chicago. I'm Virginia McGathey.